Right, okay, so today we're moving on in maths and making it a little bit more complicated. If you haven't done the maths from the last 2 days, I would maybe go back and do that rather than doing today's, because it gets more complicated building on what we've done over the past few days, okay? Right, to start with then, we've got a couple of warm-up questions, so get your pads and paper, a paper and pen even, and crack on with these. So pause the video once I've explained what you're doing, and we'll see. So here we have got 9 divided by 3. Okay, so what does that equal? 3 equal groups. And here we've got 90 divided by 3. What does that equal? 3 equal groups. And then down here, I'd like you to fill in the part-whole models. So we've got 39 is partitioned into 30 and something. 42 is partitioned into 40 and something. But 42 here is also partitioned into 30 and something. So pause the video, have a quick go at those, and then come back to me. Right, how did you get on then? So we've got 3 groups here. All right, so 3 groups of 3 is 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 90 divided by 3, if we do exactly the same thing, we've then got 30, because 90 is 10 times bigger than 9. Then down here with the part-whole models, 30 and 9 makes 39. 40 and 2 makes 42. 42 though, so we've got 30 here. So what needs to go in there to make that? 30, 42, so 12. Okay, and that's called flexible partitioning. And we'll be using that today in our lesson, okay? Okay, a little recap of what we've done over the last few days. So we're going to start with 48 divided by 4. So if we think of, we could either have 4 little bags to put them in, all right, and we can split them that way, or we can do a place value grid. Whoops. Tens and ones. We need to do 4 sections then, okay? Or we could do our partitioning model, 48 divided by, or split into 40 and 8. Pause the video, have a go. Okay, so what did you come up with? So we have 48, so we can put 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's nice and easy. Then we're here again, so we've got 40 in our tens column, and then we're going to have 2 in each of our ones, aren't we? All right. And then if we're partitioning, we're then going to divide each one of these by 4. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then we add those together. So our answer is 12. Okay. Okay, so magically my board has changed. We're now going to look at 42 divided by 3. Okay, so we're going to draw our place value grid. Okay, so we'll do our tens and ones across the top. Okay, and then we need 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's think about here a minute. Let's draw our base 10 so we know. Oh, that's a funny one. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Oh, you've disappeared off the top of my screen. That's annoying. There we go. You can see it now, I think. Okay, so there's our base 10 and there is our place value grid. Now, how are we going to do this? Because we could put this one in here. Okay, so we've done that one. Put this one in here, done that one in there. Well, how can we do this one? Where can we put it? Where can we put that? Ah, now you've already told me though that a couple of seconds ago on the video, you were telling me that 42 can also be partitioned into 30 and 12. Okay, so like we've done for addition and subtraction, where we've kind of organised our base 10, we could do the same here. Okay, so instead of having one of our 10s and 2 units, we can exchange one of our 10s for 10 ones. So we get rid of that 10 and we'll do 10 ones instead. 8, 9, 10. So now how many ones have we got? Now we've got 10 ones and 2 ones. So we've got 12 ones altogether. Now, can we share those out on our place value grid? So don't forget we're in the ones column. I made that mistake yesterday, didn't I? So we've got 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so what's our answer then? So what, 10 and 4, 14. 14. Okay, so a new one now. So let's have a go at 96 divided by 4. Now, if you think you're confident and you think, well, you've already kind of got that, then pause my video a minute, have a go, and then see how right you are once you start rewatching. All right, so are you ready? 96 divided by 4. So let's do our base 10 first of all a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chips, 9 tens, and 6 peas. There we go. 6 ones, 6 peas. We've got that. Right, so place value grid. Here it is. Down the middle, 10s, 1s. Okay, how many sections do we need? We need 4, so a line across the middle, and then each one of those. Right, let's share out our 10s first of all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can get at least 1 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross them out. All right, how many more 10s have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we've got another one, so we can put another one in each box. Okay, can we do another one? What? Oh, we've only got 1 10 left. How are we going to do that then? What can we do? We can exchange our 10 for 10 ones, can't we? Okay, so rub out your last 10. Okay, and let's do 10 more peas. 5, 8, 9, 10. So how many ones have we got now? So we've got 10 there and 6 there. Should have done it the other way around really, shouldn't I, to make it a bit more organised. So we've got 16 ones. Now those of you who are really confident with your 4 times table will be able to work that out in a jiffy. So this is where your times tables are incredibly helpful, guys, because actually if you know your 4 times table, that's so easy. You know already how many are going to go in each section, don't you? All right, so how many 4s are there in 16? There's 4, isn't there? So we've got 4. We could just count them out though. So if you're not confident with your 4s, then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we can count those out and you can share those out nice and evenly. So what have we got then? So 96 divided by 4 is 10 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. Okay, so this is going to be our last one now for practicing, and then you're going to go and have a go. We'll do a bit more complicated stuff tomorrow. All right, so 51 divided by 3 this time. So we'll start by doing our base 10. So you should be kind of getting into a bit of a routine now with doing this. 51. All right, place value grid. Here we go. Oh, I've done a massive place value grid. Doesn't matter, does it? Tens, ones. Now we're dividing by 3. 3 is our divisor. So we split that into 3 equal sections. Right, let's have a go at sharing out our base 10. So 10, 20, 30. So we can do those. 30, get rid of them. Now we've got 20. Oh, we haven't got enough tens to share out. What can we do? Do exactly the same as we did before, except this time we're going to have more ones, aren't we? So we'll do that 10 and we'll do that 10. So we need 20 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 21. Don't forget this little 1 over here. And again, those of you who know your 3 times table, so this time we're dividing by 3. So if you know your 3 times table, you're already going to know how many 3s there are in 21. 21, how many groups of 3 can we make? 7. 7 3s are 21. All right. If not, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. But it takes so much longer, doesn't it? That's why learning your tables is so important. So really crack on with that. But I know my tables, so I know that 7 3s are 21, which means I'm going to have 7 in each one of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 51 divided by 3 is 10 and 7, 17. Okie dokies, right. Crack on with the questions I've set you on your template.